I'm Andy Parkin from Speed Screed, just here on Abbotsbury contractors site at Holymoorside. We're just going to take a quick look inside, have a look at the project. There's just over 300 square metres of a calcium sulphate screed required, so we're going to take a look at what's in the house. It's a lovely part of the world. This is a very high spec build, and we're just glad to be working with Abbotsbury again. So we're just inside the building. So we've got there's going to be a damp-proof membrane that's going to connect up with the DPC, and then over the top there will be a John Guest tray of 20mm height, and then the pipes will go onto the tray, and then with 60mm coverage of screed. So as we say, it's quite a prestigious development, and so the screed pump will be positioned outside, and delivery will be made via a truck mixer discharged into the pump, and then the screed pumped into the building. So within the building, all the tripods will be set to the datums. So such as you can see the datum just here. So this is where the datum is. So all the tripods will be lasered from this particular point throughout the building, ensuring that the screed is flat and meets a minimum requirement of SR2. So there's no screed requirement on the first floor. It's a joisted system. Screed can go on the first floor if that was required, but on this particular project, that's not something that's required. So it's water underfloor heating with a typical 15mm pipe. Okay, thanks.